name Lyla. Lyla.
Hold on.
No, I can't. She wants it, or is she? Aww. Lyla. Lyla, you want some more?
See, I wonder if it's hot.
That's not hot at all. It's cold. Okay, I guess she doesn't. I can't tell if she likes it or not.
Well, every time she puts it in her mouth, she's fine. It's just like.
I know. I don't think she can get enough of it. Maybe feeding it in the bottle for right now. You know what I mean? Did she like it in the bottle?
I think.
I can't. Now she's doing her shirt. Oh. I think she wants to suck on the spoon. Lyla, Lyla, Lyla.
Oh my god, I can't even handle it.
And it's like she's trying to chew the spoon too. Oh.
She found some on her shirt. Look at.
She's gonna have to be changed after this.